Practice for Six Flags next year. I'm gonna hold it above my head so that I can actually see stuff. No, I guess we kind of walked off the trail, didn't we? It's fine. You know what Walt would do?
What?
When he saw guests cutting through shrubbery and stuff, he would pave a path. He'd say, all right, well, that's the way they want to go, then I'll just make a path.
This way.
Over here.
It's a thick tree.
It's a very thick tree. Wow, that is something.
Okay, that's a thick tree. Lincoln, come stay on the trail, please. Look at that. Okay.
Hey, I want to try climbing the stump.
No,
I want to
not
try.
on the stump. They said not to climb the stumps because the protective bark is easily damaged. I know it seems like they're taking away all the fun, but we want to preserve the environment for future generations to enjoy.
This isn't a playground.
Let's go this
What?
way.
The path is this way, Bubba.
You can go either way.
Look at those big ones over there. Oh, wow.
One of them is supposed to be.
They're old. Old people get wrinkles, old trees lean.